Arboreal Animals. Welcome to the Kids Worksheets. Hello children. In this video, we will learn Arboreal Animals. These animals are tree expert. They live most of their life in the trees. They sleep, eat and play way up high in the branches. Let's learn the name of Arboreal Animals. Orangutan. Children, repeat with me. Orangutan. Sloth. Sloth. Children, repeat after me. Sloth. Koala. This is koala. Very good children. Repeat with me. Koala. Spider monkey. This is spider monkey. This is an arboreal animal. Squirrel monkey. Children, say with me. Squirrel monkey. Very good. The next is Chameleon. Children, say with me. Chameleon. Very good. This is a chameleon. Tree frog. This is a tree frog. It is a tree frog. Gibbon. Children, say with me. Gibbon. Gibbon. The next is Lemur. This is Lemur. Children, repeat after me. Tree kangaroo. This is tree kangaroo. At the end of the video, there is a quiz. So, be with me. Kinkajou. This is Kinkajou. Flying squirrel. This is a flying squirrel. Very good children. Green python. This is green python. Tarsier. This is Tarsier. Parrot. This is parrot. Very good children. Next is Toucan. This is Toucan. Woodpecker. This is Woodpecker. The next is Gecko. The next is Gecko. Loris. This is Loris. Children, repeat with me. Proboscis Monkey. Proboscis Monkey. Very good. Well done children. Here is a quiz for you. Is the rabbit an arboreal animal? What do you think? Nope. Its a superpower is digging burrows in the ground. Is a dog arboreal animal? No. The dog is land expert. Dogs are expert on the ground. Think of an squirrel. It's an arboreal animal because it runs up and down trees to find nuts. Quick summary. Arboreal, the tree expert. They live in trees. They find food in trees. They stay safe from predators in trees. Please like, subscribe and share for more educational video. Till then, bye bye.